and welcome to this video. So what do we have over here today? I guess you probably know it by the title of this video. This is a portable weather station. Over here you find the temperature and humidity sensor, and next to it there's an CO reverse measurement sensor. Those two sensors are the only one in the system. And also an important piece of the system is this Wi-Fi module. What does this system do? This system acquires data from those two sensors over here. The data is acquired by an Arduino Uno board that's hot glued at the end, down here at the bottom of this box. So the Arduino reads data from those two sensors and sends it back to the Wi-Fi module, which uploads it to the ThingSpeak web server that you're gonna find in the description of this video. All those parts that you can see around the main ones, all those are used for helping the module and the two sensors and the Arduino. Those two are step-down converters. This one is used for powering the Wi-Fi module at 3.3 volts. This Wi-Fi module doesn't run at 5 volts, but at 3.3, so be very careful with it because you might damage it. And this other one provides power for this gas sensor. It provides 1.4 volts of power, as this sensor needs 5 volts for 60 seconds for heating. It has a resistor inside it which is hitting at 5 volts, and another 1.4 volts for 60 seconds, which is the reading cycle for this sensor. This is a logic level shifter. It's used for interfacing the communication between the Arduino and the Wi-Fi module. As the Arduino runs at 5 volts and the Wi-Fi module at 3.3, you need the logic level shifter to create a communication between them. This is a relay used to switch between 1.4 and 5 volts for powering the MQ7 gas sensor. And this switch over here is used for interrupting the TX line when uploading something on the Arduino board. So every time a sketch is uploaded on the Arduino board, you must disconnect the TX line, otherwise you would get some errors in the console. The TX line needs to be floating while uploading, so you have to disconnect it. After you upload the board, you just connect the TX line back, so the Arduino back here can communicate with the Wi-Fi module, and then you reset the board. Okay, those threads are only for providing information to the user. This is a general error thread. Whenever an error occurs in the system, you're gonna find this red blinking. This is an LED which indicates that the Wi-Fi module is online, it's working. This other LED indicates that the module is connected to the local network, which is pre-hard-coded in the code that you upload to the Arduino board. And this green LED over here, it's used for indicating that the Wi-Fi module is transmitting the data from the sensors to the ThingSpeak web server. The other ones that you see up here, the red one is used for letting the user know that the core inside this sensor is sitting, and the green one is used for indicating that Arduino that is back here is reading data from those two sensors. Okay, now after we've explained what each part is doing in the system, we shall see the system working. So let's go. Okay, so I've connected the system to an external battery. As you can see, it's quite portable. And to see how the concept is working, I've just took this apart over here, this buck converter that it's used for powering up the Wi-Fi module, to see that if the system is running and it cannot find the Wi-Fi module, you'll see this red LED blinking, indicating that there's an error in the system somewhere. So you have to hook the Arduino over here take the USB cable, plug it in, turn on the computer, put this aside, connect the computer to the Arduino board, and after that, okay, open the serial monitor. So you see that right now it is checking if the module is online, and it's saying that ESP was not found, and it gives an error. That's what this red LED is indicating right now, that there's an error in the system, and you can see the error over here by taking a look at the serial monitor console. Okay, so now I'm gonna connect the step-down converter so the Wi-Fi module can work again. I connected it. I'm gonna put it back. Okay, so now it's back in place. And I'm gonna hit the reset switch. We just have to wait for a few seconds now. And as you can see, now that the buck converter is connected, the Wi-Fi module was found in the system. The next step is connecting to the Wi-Fi network, which it just has done. So now the module is present in the system, it is connected to the network, so the gas sensor can start heating. And now it is heating up. Okay, so as the sensor is heating, let's take a look at the screen over here. As you can see, I'm on my ThingSpeak public channel, and these are some values just were uploaded like a few days ago when I was developing the project. And right now, the system started to read data from the sensors and also to upload it. So we should, and we do, we have a new value right now of 28 degrees, some 33 in humidity, and 0 on sea level, as it needs a few heating cycles to give an accurate reading. Okay, so this is the working principle. Once again, if any error appear in the system, have you seen it right there? The red LED just blinked for a while. That means that one of the sensor reading batches data was not sent to the web server. It sometimes may occur because this Wi-Fi ESP module is not that stable, so out of 10 uploads, one might fail, but I think that's not such a big deal. And that's it basically. Now, before ending this video, I thought about sharing you something else. Remember this little red switch that it's mounted over here? If we turn it off, now the board is in upload mode, and of course it is gonna not find the module anymore, so we have an error. If we connect it to the computer, it's connected right now, and we open up the serial monitor interface, we can see it is checking if the ESP module is online, and it will not find it because it is not connected anymore. But because it is not connected anymore, we can upload the new sketch. It is uploading right now, and it's done uploading. If we had this not off but on, so we had the system in running mode, if we tried to upload a new sketch, we would gonna receive a lot of errors because the TX line is not floating anymore. So this module is connected to the Arduino. We have to disconnect it by this switch before uploading something to the board. And as you can see, the red LED is not blinking anymore. We don't have any errors in our system, and the module is connected to the Wi-Fi network. And that's it.